Hi everyone, it's Karen Mann, and I'm here with Urban Harvest today. I would like to share with you how to get the maximum use of all parts of the vegetable, specifically a carrot. One way to respect our farmers and the land is to use all parts of the vegetable. A carrot has a root, stem, and leaves, and each part has varying amounts of nutrition and flavor. We're going to explore using all these parts today. First, always thoroughly wash the vegetables. If not cooking the carrots straight away, the best way to store them is to cut off the tops. The leaves actually draw moisture out of the root. The simplest use of the leaves is to toss them in a salad for added earthiness. The top of a carrot is great for making a pesto-like condiment. So start by chopping up the leaves, taking our food processor, placing the carrot tops inside the bowl. Here we have salt, some black pepper. Typically a pesto has nuts or seeds, and here we are using pumpkin seeds. You start off with a little bit of lemon juice and season to taste at the end. Lastly, olive oil. And just pulse to combine. Simply using olive oil, salt, lemon juice, and pepper gives a bright, herby addition to eggs, tacos, toast, and more. The carrot stems are pretty fibrous, so I like to reserve these for making stock. The root of vegetables like carrots are very versatile. Changing how they are cut can inspire and add texture to a meal. Here are some organically grown carrots. At this point, depending on preference, you can either peel or not peel. I prefer to not peel, but if you do, the peels can be used in a variety of things from stir fries, stock, muffins, and much more. The simplest preparation of carrots is roasting with salt, pepper, and olive oil. Make sure the carrot pieces are about the same size for even cooking. Smaller sized carrots can be roasted whole. Cut larger pieces for braising. Julienne them for salads. Grate them for muffins. Slice thin for pickles, salads, and stir fries. By changing the cut and cooking technique, you get an amazing amount of versatility from a simple carrot. Process other root vegetables like beets, parsnips, celery root, radish, and turnips similarly. Some of these vegetables don't have as fibrous as a stem as a carrot, so these stems can be chopped to replace celery or onions in recipes. When using more parts of the plant, you can increase your nutrition, throw out less, and expand your creativity. I'm Karen Mann, and thank you for sharing your time with me. For more resources, visit urbanharvest.org.